that stronger and more independent fingers to play more technically challenging music? Hi, I'm Jazer, and today I'm going to show you a simple exercise that you can do to help you to gain more finger independence. Let's get started. The exercise I'm going to teach you today is the first exercise in a book that's very dear to my heart. It is the Hanon, The Virtuosic Pianist in 60 Exercises. This is a really good book. I've done all 60 of them, and it's really helped me to become really technically capable to play a lot of pieces. Let's get started on the first one. I'm first going to show you what the whole first Hanon sounds like. So the right hand starts on this C right under the middle C. C right under the middle C. And the Hanon is made up of many different, as I like to call it, rounds. One round sounds like this. Let's see that again. So I first start on the C, and I'm going to skip one note. And play with these other ones and come back down. So one more time. Okay, that's one round. And then once I finish this first round, I'm going to start the next round starting on the D. So this is what it looks like. And I start again and I skip that note again. Let's see that again. This time I'm going to play the C, the D, and the E round. Next one. Next one. I hope you're seeing a pattern unforming here. So this is one round. After I finish that, I'm going to start here. After I finish that, I'm going to start here. And I'm going to do that consecutively all the way from this C until this B here. So almost 2 octaves. Almost from this C until that C, but just one under there. So let me just show you what that looks like. I'm going to play it a little bit faster for the sake of this video. Okay, once you play up to there, you're now going to head downwards. So we were going up, now we're going to go down. This time we're going to start on this G. That was our top note when we were going upwards. So now it's sort of the opposite way. Instead of playing upwards, now I'm going to go downwards and skip this first note. That's one round. I'll just show you that again. I'm going to skip this middle one. Start the next one. So again, I'm going to play going upwards, the last round when I went upwards. Right after that, I'm going to start with the G and start going down. Skip. Skip. And so on and so forth. You can see how this exercise is really good for building finger independence because every finger is being used for every single round. Okay, and you're going to find that this is going to be easiest for your 1, 2, and 3 because these are the stronger fingers of the hand. 4 and 5 are going to struggle a bit more. Just a little heads up. Okay, we're now going to go into our left hand part. So the right hand started on the C under middle C. The left hand's going to start on the C 1 octave below the right hand. So it's going to look like this. See that? I had the round, it's the exact same round, but I'm going to skip that D there. And I'm going to, so there's going to be a little gap between number 5 and 4. So on and so forth. So give that a bit of practice. You're going to go from this C, and just like the right hand, you're going to do almost 2 octaves. You're going to do those rounds all the way up to this B over here. You're not going to do the C round. You're just going to go almost 2 octaves right up to this B. So at the top, it'll look like this. We're going to go to descending now. Start on the G and start the descending rounds. Okay, let me just show you that again. At normal speed, it'll look like this. Okay, and the next thing you're going to want to work on is your hands together, and that sounds like that. So on and so forth. And when it goes descending, it'll sound like this. So on and so forth. When it descends, the last round is played on the G here. So okay, so let's say I'm going to start from this C. And G is the last one. When I finish that round, I'll just play C to end it off. So let me play the whole of the descending so you know what I'm talking about. G is the last one, and I just play C to finish off that G round. So give that some practice. Remember, on this channel, I always try and preach to my students, do right hand first, then left hand, then hands together. Don't attempt hands together straight away. It'll be a little bit too hard for your brain. Learn to do things a little more step by step. Now, the great thing about the Hanon is that this can be used for easy to advanced students. Let me show you some variations for the more advanced students. So for the advanced students, the first thing you can do is to increase the speed. So on and so forth. The next thing you can do, number 2, is to do one hand staccato and one hand legato. So one hand is short and bouncy, while the other hand is smooth. So it looks like this. And you can do that for the other way round as well. So this one, the left hand will now be short and right hand will be smooth. This might mess with your head a little bit, just a heads up. So as you could see, this exercise is really great for building some strength, some speed, some agility, and also building that finger independence that you all want. So I hope this has been helpful. This is going to help you to build the right technique to play the pieces that you've always wanted. Let me know in the comments below, what are your challenges from this Hanon? I love to discuss with you in the comments section. My name is Jazer. Remember to like and comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.